Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for the new videos on my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then I'm Sravya. I do videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, cooking, experimental cooking, DIY, whatever comes in my mind. So today's video is another recipe video. It's a Diwali special video. I have done a coconut burfi. You can say it has a coconut burfi or a coconut halwa, whatever you like. So let's jump into the video. Before heading to the video, I would like to wish all my viewers a happy Diwali. Be safe, play safe with the crackles in the Diwali. I am not using any crackles, or I'm not taking any crackles this year, because I want to be our country to be a polluted free country and noise free country. So I am against crackers. But I suggest you guys also to be crackers free. If not, at least reduce the firing of crackers, so that we will be in a safe environment. So now let's start into the video. Before heading to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Now let's jump into the video. This recipe. This is a sweet recipe, especially you can do for a Diwali. It is a bit time consumer recipe, but it's a trust me guys, it's very good recipe. This recipe has been liked in my family a lot, so I thought to share with you a lot. So the remaining procedure of halwa or the burfi, everything will be down in the description box with the measurements. So don't forget to description box. I will write both the methods for the halwa and for the burfi. But I have shoot only for the burfi in the video. The halwa procedure will be written down in the description box. Don't forget to check the description box. I hope that's all for today's video. I will super soon catching with the new video. Till then, bye.